Hi, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle. Today I have a really neat piece. Heard them called wizard sticks or parking poles before, whatever you want to call them. These came off a Honda Goldwing. It was on the luggage trunk. I'm going to show you that they work. These are really, really neat. So not only do all the jewels light up, the inside of the cone also lights up. It's really neat. I'll show you the other one works here. These appear to be in very good shape. Not all boogered up, not all worn out. This one also works. You can see the jewels work, the inside works. These would be a very cool addition for maybe a touring bike or a really cool chopper or bobber or something custom. These are truly vintage. These are really cool. Just want to show that they work, show you a video they work. It's always nice to see them. So we'll give you some more close-up pictures, but here's the wizard sticks or parking poles.